We're so excited for this next video.
This one brings us right back to Nana and Pop's house. So our Nana and Pop live in South Florida, and we'd go pretty much every school break that we had.
Yeah.
And Nana would record all of the craft shows. If anyone remembers HGTV back in the day. So she'd record all the craft shows, and we'd come and we'd sit and we'd watch them, and we would decide which crafts we wanted to make.
And she had this Florida room, so it was this back patio, and we would take over the entire patio, and the whole table became our crafting warehouse basically. And we would do popsicle stick crafts that were jewelry boxes. We do clay, painting, and then we do recipes because she always taught us how to make homemade pasta and stuff like that. So,
and bless Nana and Pop, because they would just sit for hours on the other side of the sliding glass door and just watch us, and they let us make the biggest messes, and yeah, they just let us do whatever we wanted, and we
would just do it for hours and hours. So now nothing has changed. We're doing the same thing. We're just older.
And still pretending we have an audience in front of us.
If only YouTube existed back then. Yeah. All those millionaire children. Could have been us, guys.
We missed their calling.
Yeah. Well, enjoy, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. Shannon and Jenna with the Busy Bee, and today we're going to show you how to make these cute little leather clutches using the Cricut.
These are really great if you're going to be hosting Friendsgiving because they can serve two purposes. They can be part of your place setting and then also be used as a favor for your guests.
Let's get started. Okay. In order to complete this project, you will need one roll of Cricut's faux leather in the color of your choice, one tube of Fabri-Tac, a bunch of dried wheat, and of course your Cricut machine. And all of these supplies can be found at your local Michael's store.
So first you're going to cut your leather into a 12 by 12 square and then flip it over so the back side is up, and place it on a standard grip cutting board that you purchased for Cricut. And just make sure it's pushed all the way down.
In order to cut the shape for the leather clutch, find the fold-up leather case pattern using Cricut Design Space and click Make It. The first thing you want to do is make sure your settings are set to mirror, and then click Continue. From there, Design Space will find your Cricut machine, and then you'll select your material. Be sure to select faux leather.
You'll want to make sure that all your settings are set correctly on your Cricut machine. You're going to turn your knob to custom, and then Cricut Design Space will guide you from there.
Once you've selected your material, make sure your 5-point blade is installed and load your cutting mat.
So then you're going to unload your mat, and we'll remove all of the outer edges.
Next, you're going to find the two slits on the long end of the clutch, and you're going to take the leather strip and you're going to feed it through. So start at the top, find it in the back, and then you're going to feed it through the bottom slit. Then you're going to take your Fabri-Tac and you're just going to add just a tiny dot to the back of this strip and glue it down.
So next you're going to fold your clutch just like an envelope. So you're going to start with your short ends and you're going to fold those down, We'll start with one side. And then you'll pull up your bottom side. And we're gonna glue just under this base that is touching the leather. So I'm gonna hold that down tight. Wipe off any extra glue. And then we'll do the other side.
So once your flaps are glued in place, we like to place the heavy book on top until it's completely dry.
And these are really great because you can fill them with gifts or thank you cards or anything like that for your guest. And then you're just gonna take the tie and you're gonna wrap it around and tie a little knot on the bottom to close it up. And then we like to add these dried wheat on top to create the perfect little clutch.
Then what I love about them is that afterwards, like if your guests can take them home and use them as like little coin purses. They're great for glasses, just like little trinkets and stuff, so
yep.
Super cute.
And then for our Friendsgiving place setting, we just tucked in a menu and then made the perfect addition to our decor. So there you have it, the perfect little clutch for your next Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving dinner.
If you give this project a try, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.